Hello everyone, I'm excited to be here again with the second part of my sketchbook as promised, and we have covered till this page, this window. Thank you everyone for such a wonderful response on the first part of the journal flip through. I am really glad to see how you people have responded to the first part. For those who want to watch the first part of this video, the link is in the description down below. If you would like to see more of such sketch journal illustrations, then you can follow me on Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new upload from my side. So just to give you the background, this is a sketch journal tour where I recorded my journey through sketching and illustrating my everyday life. At the end, I am going to share all the art supplies and tools which I use to create the journal. And I will also tell you about my inspiration to get into this sketch journaling. So stay tuned till the end of this tour. So let's get started, guys. So this quote is from my friend's WhatsApp status. I illustrated this in my style with this man doing chores, and she just kind of put it like hashtag no big deal if a man is doing the household chores. So let me read out to you guys. A man who does chores in his house is not helping his wife. He is simply doing chores in his house. So I kind of like this and I wanted to have this in my journal. This page is about a recipe illustration. I cooked and I illustrated one of my grandmother's recipe, and without even using extra spices or some kind of fancy stuff. This recipe always tasted so yummy and delicious when she used to cook this. It might be, I think, the magic of the family environment when she cooked and we all sit together to eat. It always makes me nostalgic and it reminds me of my childhood. So I really like, this is the salad, this is the semi-dry lentil rice, and this is the sour soup, which is a mixture of the starch from the rice and the water from this lentil. So I kind of given all the ingredients and the procedure. Salad skills I got from my papa. My papa is expert in doing this salad stuff at home. So yeah. Actually, I wanted to capture galaxy in my sketchbook, so I kind of painted this night sky view and added this quote because I didn't have much time to draw something that day. Some nights I wish I could go back in life, not to change anything, just to feel a couple of things twice. This one, I celebrated one of the India's festival Teej, which occurs in monsoon. Teej is an Indian festival to celebrate women, and it's like ladies' evening out with traditional dresses, friends, and amazing food, singing and dancing. And here I drew my hand with bangles and henna. And I was really missing the special Swedish which is called ghevar. So I drew a little piece of this occasional dessert from India. So this is one of my favorite dip. This is my plate of homemade guacamole and few tortilla chips. Not few, guys, actually I ate this whole jumbo packet. And this is also a 3D page where you can take out the tortilla chips. You can dip it in guacamole like this and you can have it. Let me stick it. So there was so negativity in the environment during those times with the news of rising COVID cases all around. So I started this routine of playing the mantras to have some peace, and it was kind of meditation. Although I'm not a practicing religious person, but last year I felt that Hindu scriptures and meditation practices really helped me. So while cooking breakfast, I used to listen to Gayatri Mantra, where we ask to fill our hearts with light and remove darkness. Mahamrityunjay mantra, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So these are the plants from my kitchen window, my cute little chilies, cilantro, and This few I bought from the flower shop. Moving on to the next page, this is a collection of random things I could spot around me while going to bed. I always keep my sketchbook handy by my side so I can draw anytime and anywhere. Scissor, the tissue wrap, my lip balm, mask, hand sanitizer, some book, charger, salt, keys, vitamin D tabs, water bottle, envelope, chocolate, hand cream, what else? Coins. This is a page which is inspired from Pinterest, and sometimes, guys, you need to remind yourself about self love and your strength. I find it better to remind about those things through my art. And here's a note to self: I am smart enough, successful enough, strong enough, pretty enough, bright enough, beautiful enough, sexy enough, bold enough, kind enough, talented enough. This page I did on the occasion of Friendships Day, and these are the illustrations of my buddies, uh, my fitness buddies, my art supplies. This is my specs, my phone, my water bottle, my thyroid tablet. These are all the things which I cannot live without, or you can say these are the essential part of my day or of my life. I was also participating in a drawing challenge hosted by a German artist on Instagram, where the prompt was barfuß, which means barefoot in English. So just kind of put it here with a beautiful hand lettering. These are the cotton dabs, the nail paint remover. Illustrated this quote for another hand lettering challenge on Instagram: be kind, it's cooler than being cool. So these two pages are about my Berlin visit last year in August. Stayed with a friend, her dog, this is her son, and our outing to the Berlin Wall. Actually, I lived in Berlin for a couple of years, and it is the most amazing city with vibrant nightlife and awesome art and culture scene. It may not be posh like Munich and Zurich, but it is for the free spirited people like me. So I really miss Berlin coming here to Hamburg. So this page is about a park where I had my first experience of this tree house. It was an Indian Independence Day, so I drew all the objects I could find in my house, matching with the Indian flag colors, orange and then this blue and green. Actually, it took me around 2 hours to complete this one. I know it is a cliche, but you always miss things when you are away from your home country. I really miss India. So, all the orange things and then all the green I could spot in my house. Proud Indian. Another one I did for a hand lettering challenge on Instagram. I love doing drawing challenges. Actually, you get to know so many talented artists, and it is a great opportunity to share your artwork with so many other people and learn from them at the same time. I am super proud of this page as I made my own sketchbooks from scratch. These are the two mini sketchbooks. I did them from scratch, from sewing to binding. I also did this hand embroidery on their cover, and I really love doing small sketchbooks and doing paintings in them because they fill so quickly and the experience is amazing. So this spread is all about the pain. One night I slept in a wrong posture and had severe back pain in the morning. I journal about that day, and I also bought some of these essential oils with nice aroma. So this is also a 3D page where I drew this ointment, and you can keep it here. It comes out like this. You can have it on here, massage a little bit, keep it back. For now I'm just pasting it here. This is my breakfast plate with omelette, black tea, toast and some nuts. This is just another sketch of my thoughts. When in doubt, return to yourself. I saw this quote somewhere and it touched my heart, so recorded it here. Let me read it out. One morning she woke up different, done with trying to figure out who was with her, against her, or walking down the middle because they didn't have the guts to pick a side. She was done with anything that did not bring her peace. She realized that opinions were a dime a dozen, validation was for parking, and loyalty wasn't a word but a lifestyle. It was this day that her life changed. And not because of a man or a job, but because she realized that life is way too short to leave the keys to your happiness in someone else's pocket. This quote was so wonderful that I just journaled it here and wanted to keep it for lifetime with me. So with the essential oil, I ordered this aroma diffuser, which is a color changing diffuser, and this is the Amazon box. This is also a 3D page. I am just unpacking it. These are the 7 lights, color changing lights. I kind of do it as a trail, but one day my little one was playing with this and they got detached. So yeah, so this aroma diffuser, it changes 7 colors. This is the LED kettle which I ordered along with this aroma diffuser to have some warm water in the evening. My breakfast plate, I cooked idli, sambar and chutney on that day. It's my favorite breakfast. This is just a thought I wanted to have in my journal. It's a pencil sketch of a beautiful girl. It was July and I stepped out of my house for the first time in 3 months to go to the Apple store. Things were in control and people were enjoying outside in sunny weather. It's the iconic and beautiful Hamburg Town Hall building. This is a famous German bakery chain, Dat Bacchus. And this is the beautiful view of a lane I captured here. It's about the world in 2020. There was something common in 2020 during the pandemic. COVID did not discriminate between developed, underdeveloped, poor or rich, people with means or no means. It hit everywhere hard. So I captured this page. Divided by color, race, creed, sex, united by COVID-19. This is a word which is covered by COVID. This is another 3D page recording my COVID routine. Tired of COVID rituals. This is my onion baguette, my veggies, onion, cucumber, washing them every time in salt water, in hot water. So I was really tired of following this COVID routine. This is the car which I spotted while I was coming from my evening walk. And this is the cotton bag which I always carry everywhere while shopping. This is just a quote I captured here. Self-pampering Sunday. I tried drawing myself with this turmeric face pack, which is a chemical free traditional Indian way of taking care of your skin and keep it alive. I also listed these ingredients which I use to create this face pack. This is my specs, cucumber for the eyes, and this I captured while coming back from my Zumba classes. This is a beautiful quote from Instagram account, Poetry by Emily. Let me read this out to you. She's a little sinner, a little saint, a little heartbreaker, a little quaint, a little fire, a little ice, a little naughty, a little nice, a little wound up, a little free, a little everything a woman should be. I really like poetry and capturing them into my sketch journal. So I follow this account and some other poetry account on Instagram. This is my home office desk. Actually, I had a lot of work during that time. I barely had time to cook. So this is a quick baked okras here. Drink water. Because when you are so engrossed in work, you don't remember to drink enough of water. So it's a reminder I put in my water reminder app as well as here. Another pencil drawing and a quote by Ventum. I am a dreamer, neither lost nor found, waiting for a story worth dreaming forever. I think this is the fourth or the fifth drawing of my hand holding something. I ordered these Winsor and Newton skin tone markers and I was holding them and I tried to draw them. And here is the nature in full swing with the greenery all around. It was so captivating then that I had to journal it and keep it in my journal. There's also a 3D page where I was holding, you can take this marker out, draw something, color something. You can keep it again inside this. I liked this drawing of my hand. Really awesome. And wow, this is my entire Faber-Castell collection. I'm in love with Faber-Castell's art supplies. I own the watercolor brushes, my kneadable eraser, the pit pens, polychromos, these watercolor pencils. These are erasable pencils from Faber-Castell. Actually, I am in love with this brand and I try to use, it's a German brand and they are really fabulous. This is a page from an evening with a German friend. We ate, we drank, we laughed, walked, and exchanged our thoughts about life in Germany and life in India. This is the food we ate, the mall. So we are coming to the end of this art journal tour, and this page is all about my inspiration and art supplies. This is Samantha and she draw her day daily and I got to know her from Instagram and she inspired me so much that I got into sketch journaling and I captured her here. These are my best pals which helped me in completing this journal. This is my watercolor palette. This is another small travel palette. This is my small pouch which contains all the pens, my marker, scale, my pencil. This is the scissor which I use to cut my drawings to make it 3D. My watercolor jars for holding water. These are the clips which I use to hold the pages. These are my watercolor brushes. This is the knives which sometimes I use to create this 3D effect. I'll be sharing with you guys about how I journal and the process of this full sketch journal page in another video. So I'll be sharing all these art supplies in detail so that maybe I can inspire you guys to start it. On this very last page I captured my feelings. I tried to hand letter different style and journal element. Create to inspire, just do it, follow your passion, feeling accomplished, feeling grateful. Thank you for appreciating. Yes, dream big, feeling proud. Enjoy the journey, practice. Wonderful journey. Actually, it was a wonderful journey to journal your life, your everyday events, and you kind of have this cute book with you for your life. And these are the dates which I captured. I started this journal on 16th of May and I completed this on 20th of September. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please keep pouring your love like you did in the first part of this video and on my Hanemule sketchbook tour. I'll be linking down below all my videos so you guys can enjoy them too. Again guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for supporting me. See you soon with another fantastic video. Thank you.